How to find your user ID in the Forex Trading School and Game app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to locate your user ID in the Forex Trading School and Game app, then the process is quite easy, so let's go ahead and do it. First things first, open your Forex Trading School and Game app from your mobile device and make sure that you're inside this homepage logged in. Now from the homepage, go to the top left corner and tap on the settings icon or the gear icon. From the settings menu that appears on the screen, scroll all the way down and look for the show user ID button. If you tap on that, your user ID will be displayed at the bottom of the screen. You can take a screenshot of this page. The user ID is usually a unique number and letter assigned to your account. You can write it down on a piece of paper or take a screenshot for future references. This ID is useful for contacting support, participating in challenges, or leaderboards. So there you have it. That's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.